Have lots of properties in your portfolio? Have a team of property managers? Have trouble managing all of them? We've got a solution for you. Sign up to TenantCloud as a property manager and bring along your team. Every team member will have access to your selected properties and data, but from separate accounts, so you can track all their activity. Control their access to every part of the system, such as properties or listings. Keep track of every action of each team member in their activity history. Stay connected with TC Messenger. Share all reports, management fees, and documents with property owners within TenantCloud. Have all your property management business in one convenient place.